Hi guys, I'm Heather and today I am going to do a random unboxing video sort of thing. So, do you guys remember last year when everyone was like, ooh, Wish? I'm gonna order stuff on Wish and see how good it is or how crappy it is. Well, I wanted to do that too. So, last year I had ordered some stuff on Wish. And then, stuff happened. If you saw my Get Ready With Me, I talk a little bit about what happened. But if you didn't, essentially, my dad got into an accident and till about like mid-July, the beginning of August, I was taking care of him during the week, then working on the weekends, and going to language classes in between those times. So I just didn't get to it. So it took a while for the stuff to get in, and by the time I got everything in, I just didn't have the time anymore or the energy anymore to do it. So they have actually been sitting around for almost a year, and I need to open them. And I don't know what I ordered anymore. So I could go on the website and check my order history and see what I ordered. Or look at the labels on the packages, because they generally will tell you what's in the box when you do something internationally for customs. But what's the fun in that? So today I'm going to open these packages and see what's in them. Okay, so these are the products, and for some reason I feel like I didn't order this much, but I don't know what else I would have ordered that came in little tiny packages from China. So let's open them. I think some of them were beauty products, but some of them were not. So let's open these. Yay, I got some lipstick on one of them. But let's go ahead and open my Wish products and see what I got. So this one was trying to fall off my desk, so I will start with this one right here. And, ow, that hurts. Using hair cutting scissors because I don't have any other ones. So, oh. Okay, so I do remember I got this. This is what I ordered here. And what these are cord keeper sort of things. Like they have a adhesive thing on the back and they're supposed to keep your cords organized. So there is that package. That will actually be useful. I all the time feel like I need these and just never think about it when I'm somewhere that would sell these. So I have these. And a lot of these things I bought because I was just kind of scrolling through and I'm like, oh, I need that. Okay, so we'll go with this one next. And the one thing that no one ever says about Wish when they do these little things is that the shipping is almost as much as the product itself. And I don't know if you ordered everything from one person, if the shipping would be less. But I know that my shipping was like $10 on this, and the stuff that I bought was about $10. So it cost me about $20 shipping, almost as much. I mean, it was still pretty cheap, but when they say it's free, but we charge you $5 shipping, not so free. Okay, so this is actually a beauty thing. This is a purifying peel-off mask. It's a black mask, one of those deep cleansing ones. And they had various ones of these, so I don't know how well this worked. I did try to look at ratings and see if they were like really garbage ratings. I didn't want to get them. But the one that I have currently that's like this is that, like, as seen on TV, like California peel off whatever, California charcoal one. And that sucks. Like, it doesn't do anything. So hopefully this one will be better. Okay, so we'll go for this one next. Okay. I wonder if this will actually work. I ordered an eyebrow shaping guide. So I've said this before, my eyebrows are awful. They're not at all similar. And I always want something that would make it easy. Now, the thing is I don't know if this would actually even fit my face. So I would have to see. And yeah, so I will try this out one day and see if this works. Because I really would like something to work as like a stencil where I could fix my brows maybe. Alright, so this one is actually pretty thick. So I feel like it must be a beauty product, but maybe it's not. I don't know. I did order some like household things and then some beauty products. Oh, okay. And apparently this was as seen on TV in China. This is supposed to reseal packages. So if I had like a plastic bag or something, it's supposed to, I guess, clip on here and reseal it, maybe? I don't know. I don't know how it works because it doesn't currently appear to actually do anything. Oh, it's got batteries. Okay, it's got batteries. So I'll have to plug it in. But yeah, it's supposed to seal little packages like that, which will actually be pretty convenient because like sometimes you open something and don't want to eat the whole thing or like that. So, oh yeah, because I can see it's got like a little wire in here, so it will actually burn it closed. Yeah. Okay. Hopefully that will work. All right, this one right here. This one's pretty flat. Let's see. Oh, okay, this is just like a razor holder or something for the bathroom. And that's pretty self-explanatory. It's like a suction holder. I mean, it's useful, not terribly exciting though. Alright, I have two more things. Let's go for this one. This one is actually pretty big. Ooh, I'm excited. This is a pore cleaner. It's one of those little suction pore cleaner things. So you're supposed to be able to like use it on your face and it's supposed to suck out the pores, the dirt in your pores. So hopefully this works to some degree. I'm a little skeptical, but I hope it works. That would be great. Okay, and now my last one is super teeny tiny, and let's see what I bought. Oh, okay, this is another beauty product. I actually didn't realize I bought so many of those. Okay, so this is a cat liner thing. Okay, I thought it was more plastic than this. So basically what it is it's these cat stencils right here. And you're supposed to be able to use those cat stencils to draw eyeliner on your face. So I'm definitely going to have to try that out. It's interesting because it looks like it should have come like this, and maybe with this in here, like probably like this kind of thing. Like it would have come packaged something like this, but it was folded up in a little thing. So, but at least it came with this part that tells me which particular cat area goes to what. So I'm actually definitely going to have to try this out. I'm actually going to have to try quite a few of these things out, and I will probably do that on camera because it's kind of interesting, right? Some weird beauty products. So I will do that. I actually thought those cat liner things would have been like a hard plastic though, instead of like that really flimsy thing. But maybe the flimsy thing just kind of like moves with your eye shape better. I don't know. But yeah, so those are the products that I bought from Wish a year ago and did not remember what I bought. So now those packages are open. I could throw all those little plastic baggies away and be one step closer to cleaning up my vanity, which is a huge disaster. So yeah, that is everything for this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.